Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this occasion, I want to show you about a presentation how to deal with procrastination. But the first, before we jump into the presentation, I want to introduce myself. My name is Anta Rizky Nawila, and I'm from 11 RPL. Okay. So, what is the meaning of procrastination? Procrastination is when you are delaying or procrastinate task, even when you are in the border of deadline. So, the urgency of procrastination is there are some research that in the student 2 out of 10 students have a chronic procrastination, and 95% admit they are doing procrastination at least sometimes. And some of students, 21% procrastinate daily, and 80 to 95% of students procrastinate. So procrastination is like a common problem for in our era, especially in this technology era. We have a TikTok, Instagram that make us more procrastinate. Yeah, there are some impact of procrastination. The first is stress. The reason why you become more stressed because when you are delaying your task or your something that you must have to do, it's little by little we will more build up. And the second is opportunities. You will miss some change in your life, and yeah, you will be more stressed if you are lose your opportunities. And the third is self-confidence. If you are not doing your task, you will be less confident. Yeah. Alright, now I want to show you how to solve procrastination. The first is aware. You must have to aware what is the reason of your procrastinate. And the second is identify problem. What is like some of things that you can build up and make to be your habit. And the third is find solution. Okay, aware. Now I want to show you one of example in the movie or novel by Roald Dahl, that is Fantastic Mr. Fox. Yeah, in the movie, Mr. Fox he aware about his problem. Like in the dialogue of one of the sentence, he say in the movie, "I'm 7 years old, Fox, and I don't want to live in this hole anymore." Yeah. So that's when Mr. Fox admit and aware about his problem, that he want to be improve. He want to improve and want to be a better person, and want to live in the outside of holes and be a wild animal. Nah, the second is you must have to aware that you are like a mountain. Yeah, if you have an experience, maybe once a time hiking in the mountain, you will be face it with some of obstacle, maybe with the hike, with the like you're not capable in the some of track, or there is a big rock that make you get more little bit getting some problem. Like in ourselves, we must have to aware there is some of obstacle in our life, especially in procrastinate. Then yeah, you must have to, the third is, yeah, you must have to identify your problem. The next is, I have some quotes. The movement you decide to move, the mountain begins to move too. Nah. Next, I want to show you about aware. It's still in the inside of aware. That is, you are not Superman or even Lego Batman, because we are a human. We must have to define what must have to do, not anything task we can do immediately. You must have to do it one by one until it's complete. Nah, so I have some advice to you. Start to make a to-do list, maybe 3 tasks a day, and you will know about your way to complete. Nah, the next is identify your problem. Sometimes of people have a symptom of procrastination because fear of failure. When he faced it with a hard task and he became fear of failure. Yeah, so we must have to build in our mind to, it's okay to be a failure, because fail is the best teacher in our life. The second is comfort in the comfort zone. We must have to run away into the outside of comfort zone and build our mentality. And the third is perfectionism. Wanting a perfect plan but ultimately failing to move forward. We want to have a perfect portfolio, for example, but because we want it perfect, and we feel like we don't want to do from scratch, it's make our procrastinate more worse. And the last is lack of strategy. You don't have a clear plan. Done is better than perfect, because perfect is never done. How to fix it? The first is every day, even it's a small step. Yeah, you must have to, like what in the preface I say, every day, even it's small step, like you make a 3 point of your to-do list. The second is mindfulness. You must have to aware to yourself what is your problem that you face it off and what you must have to do. The third is Pomodoro. You can try Pomodoro, like 20 minutes of learn and 5 minutes of rest, and eliminate tab or distraction that will make it your procrastinate more worse. Like I have like eliminate some of social media, and it's make me more less of procrastinate. And the last is look at the wall. Why we must have to look at the wall? Because when we see YouTube, and it will increase our dopamine, which is it's bad for us, especially that we want to learn. So we must have to look at the wall. It will be decrease the dopamine, and then if we are continue to learn some of subject that we want to learn, it will be useful, because we are not in the high dopamine, but it's low, the lowest dopamine. Okay, everyone, thanks for listening my presentation. I hope it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.